From raw materials to finished detergent, see the complete factory process. Welcome to the world of modern detergent production.
Raw materials are carefully harvested.
Soda ash is sourced from natural deposits.
Limestone provides essential alkalinity.
Minerals are handled carefully.
Natural inputs support effective cleaning performance.
Each batch is checked for consistency.
Materials staged for transport. Efficient logistics streamline transport. Organic ingredients join the convoy.
Raw materials move through a tightly controlled logistics network.
Materials travel under logistical control.
Transportation links extraction sites to production.
Incoming materials transition into controlled industrial processing.
Coordinated transport maintains uninterrupted factory supply. Efficient transport ensures materials reach the factory on time. Safety checks verify both personnel and materials. Accurate positioning supports efficient material transfer.
Skilled workers orchestrate material intake.
Materials are funneled efficiently toward processing. Exterior systems integrate seamlessly with interior operations. Controlled feeding protects system balance. Controlled feeding stabilizes the entire production line. Organic components join mineral base. Conveyor systems maintain precise material flow.
Human oversight guarantees smooth intake.
Organized storage preparation supports smooth operations. Automated transfer ensures readiness for processing stages.
The factory exterior reflects industrial scale and organization.
Safety and compliance are strictly enforced.
Skilled oversight ensures uninterrupted production. Smooth material transfer begins internal processing. Automated monitoring adds an extra layer of safety. Engineering ensures durability and precision. Materials are securely transferred for storage.
Worker guidance ensures safety and efficiency.
Accurate storage prevents overflow or shortage. Integrated piping maintains constant material flow.
Human oversight complements automation.
Dust removal ensures clean product.
Precision sorting guarantees uniform quality. Visual checks ensure consistent output.
Cleaned materials are staged for the core processing phase.
Environmental controls maintain factory safety and hygiene.
Storage ensures materials are ready for processing.
Accurate monitoring maintains production efficiency.
Clean and sorted materials are ready for core processing. Core processing begins by combining raw ingredients precisely.
Skilled operators ensure consistent mixing parameters.
Uniform mixing ensures product homogeneity.
Controlled additives enhance detergent performance. The mixture now takes shape as detergent granules. Material is moved forward for moisture adjustment. Proper drying prevents clumping during storage. Human monitoring complements automated drying. Controlled cooling preserves granule quality.
Sizing ensures uniform product consistency.
Protective systems preserve both machinery and product integrity. Human oversight verifies automated processes. Processed granules are temporarily stored for continued production. Core processing stage completes with uniform, ready granules. Core ingredients undergo precise chemical transformation.
Operators ensure reactions occur under controlled conditions.
Uniform agitation guarantees even chemical processing. Transformed granules move forward for stabilization. Drying locks in chemical properties.
Manual checks ensure consistent results.
Precise sizing guarantees performance consistency. Final purification secures consistent downstream performance. Visual consistency is verified automatically. Human checks complement automated systems.
Final additives enhance product quality.
Precision dosing delivers consistent sensory quality.
Skilled supervision confirms accurate additive integration.
The main transformation stage completes with consistent, enhanced detergent granules. Automation ensures precision and efficiency. High-tech arms handle delicate materials accurately. Continuous scanning ensures every particle meets standards. Non-compliant material is immediately isolated.
Human oversight complements advanced automation.
Pneumatic transport ensures safe, fast transfer. Robotics streamline large-scale handling. Continuous monitoring preserves quality control.
Human checks verify automation accuracy.
Human verification complements automated checks.
Accurate batching prepares product for packaging. Weight verification ensures every pack is precise. Final additives enhance detergent performance.
Precise measurement ensures accurate analysis.
Chemical testing verifies detergent effectiveness.
Optical analysis ensures visual consistency.
Stability testing ensures long shelf life. Microscopic inspection detects subtle defects. Microscopic inspection detects subtle defects. Only verified products proceed to packaging. Packaging begins with precise automated systems. Robotic handling ensures accurate portioning.
Palletizing maximizes storage efficiency.
Warehousing organizes inventory for dispatch.
Storage ensures products are ready for distribution.
Efficient loading prepares products for transport.
And this is how modern factories produce detergent from start to finish.
Products head out to markets nationwide. Modern factories operate at scale with precision and efficiency. Every stage, from raw material to finished product, is orchestrated seamlessly.